Well, I decided to pull the radiator. It's it wasn't really in the way, but then to get that bolt out, I wanted to use my impact screw gun, which is not real powerful, but it might help because this thing is still not coming loose. Not an easy thing to get off. But I'm going to, now I can see it better, so that's probably good. And we'll see if we can get it now. I did pick up a few tools. Also had to pull this to get the radiator out. So the radiator came out pretty easy, really. Just loosen this up right here. Loosen this one up. And pull off that hose. And that hose along with the two bigger ones that I had already pulled off. And then it just comes out. There's a rubber kind of a grommet that it goes into this metal hole and this hole. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but that does it. Oh, interesting how this is. Yeah, it doesn't look very well protected. Interesting. Okay, let's get some WD-40 on that, or PB Blaster or something, and see if we can get that thing working. I need to go to work now anyway, so if I get some on there, maybe it'll loosen it up. Try the impact drill, not real powerful, but it might help. And then let's see if we can get it off.